Three things that I've learned so far: be patient, don't rush, and take my time with the prep work. Pretty much all the same thing. Here's what's coming up. Good morning, guys. So on today's job list, it is going to be rust repair. Now for this section inside the van, to treat all these areas here, I'm going to be using the wire brushes. I'm then going to be using some of this rust treatment again on the major areas, and then I'm going to be painting some Hammerite across the areas and let that dry. One coat apparently does do the job, so I'm going to put it on quite thick. Enough talking, let's get started. So I'm not going to bore you by just letting you watch me mask this up, because people are probably going to think this is like some paint and show or some clean and show, when it's not. So guys, I'll meet you on the next stage. Now we wait. It's a new day on the van. So, quick update. As you saw me, I was primering the van, and then this happened. I could not believe it started to rain after I just got 2 coats of primer on. So I'm going to spray the van now. The sun is actually out and the forecast is meant to be dry all day. Touch wood. So let's get to it, and then we're going to get onto the floor. Let's do this. One second, I forgot to do this. Bloody tape, man. There's always one more bit. Now, let's do this. Okay, so it is update time. Now, the grinding has been done, as you saw. The rust treatment has been applied. It has been about currently like 3 hours until I put it on, just over 3 hours, which it says on the box that 3 hours to kind of cure, and then it'll be ready to paint over. It does say on the box as well that if that is rusted areas, then the kind of paintwork will go like a blue/black color. So but to be honest, there isn't actually much rust on here, to be fair, which is a very good plus for my favor. So I was very lucky with that. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the white Hammerite and I'm going to apply that. Then I'm going to run some before and afters, and it was rust and what it looks like now. So make sure you stay until the end of the video. Guys, remember this is a series of this whole luxury barber van conversion, so make sure you subscribe, like, and drop me a comment if you have any questions or if you have any advice for me. Now, enough said, let's roll the clips and be done with this video.